right on the button. Big money points. Yo. About to pull off the mufflers on the STI. 2015 STI. Bone stock. No spoiler. Shit's gay. Here's the stock mufflers. Let's see what she sounds like without them. Should be a pretty easy uninstall. Soak those fuckers in WD-40 and pull them off. We got hangers somewhere. Probably some hangers up here. Yeah, one hanger there. Yeah. One hanger back there too.
Is there?
Yeah.
Well, we can just fucking unbolt it.
Just one bolt it and then slide it up to hangers.
Oh, whoa! All or nothing, man.
Well, the hangers are a little bit of a bitch, but they're out. I'm guessing about 30 horsepower gains from all the weight loss. There's the dinky little friggin' pipes they put on there. They go from like a 2.5 down to like a 1.5 inch. Why you do this, Subaru? Well, let's fire it up. Straight guilty of being white. Go. Oh, listen to that rumble. Oh yeah, boy. Fuck yeah, sounds good. If you're wondering why we're doing this, because I think I might get a muffler delete. I want to know what it sounds like before I spend money on custom tips or whatever else. So I think it sounds pretty good. I think we'll go for a drive and see what it sounds like inside. What the fuck? Fucking 10-point turn over here. Well, it's official. Get muffler deletes. That shit's fucking awesome.